Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to save your location in Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. This works on both Android and iPhone. Now, find the place you want to save. Let's say it's a police station. Once you find it on the map, tap on it and you'll see a red marker appear. Next, tap on Save. You'll see options to add it to a list or create a new list. Choose New List if you want to organize this location, then give your list a name that's easy to remember. You can also choose if you want this list to be private, shared, or public. For personal use, set it to private, then tap Create. Now, this location is saved for easy access. Anytime you want to check it, go to Saved in Google Maps, open your list, and find the location. Google Maps will also show you the distance and directions from your current location. For example, it will give you the distance for walking, driving, or other modes. This is a helpful way to organize places you need to revisit, and you can use this same process to save any location you want. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.